English together.
Where are you from?
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. Where are you from?
I come from Japan.
Oh, you come from Japan. Do you like animation?
No, I'm not a fan of animation.
Oh, you're not a fan of animation. Why did you come here?
I came for vacation.
Are you having fun?
Yes, I'm having a great time.
What do you like the best about here?
Well, the architecture is stunning.
Yes, the architecture here is incredible. Do you like the local cuisine?
Yes, the food is delicious.
Is the food too spicy for you?
No, I enjoy spicy food. I can handle it.
How much longer will you stay here?
I will stay for 1 more week. Then I will return home.
Oh, you will go home. Where do you work?
I work as a teacher at a local school. And what about you?
I work for a tech startup.
What kind of company do you work for?
I work for a software development company.
Oh, are you software engineer?
Yes, I am.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.